Getting better all the time. It's there. You've seen it. It's written in our next to our logo, Forthwell Insurance Agency, getting better all the time. That's what we are. We always promise our clients that we'll always get better and better and better and enable them get products that match their needs. And today I just want to talk about how we came to be Forthwell and why we are where we are right now in the space we are, and why we are not tied but an independent insurance agency. By tied means that we are not selling products for only one company. We are selling across the board. We are selling for different providers. I wanted to explain that to you. So Forthwell started out as a tied insurance agency selling products for one company, and we usually sold only life policies. We were really good at it. We sold life covers, education policies, and along the way we got so good at what we were doing and explaining our products that clients were telling us, now I need a medical cover, I need a motor insurance cover. So we started selling products for the same company, but now across the board we were doing life covers, we're doing education policies, we're doing medical covers, and also motor insurance. But the thing that stood out for us was that we not only sold the policy. Before we sold you any medical cover, we would sit down with you, ask you questions. I would generally ask you, what are you looking to get? Which hospitals do you want to go to? Which specialists? Who are your specialists? If it's a woman, who's your gyna? We look at the provider panel and see like if your gyna is on the list or not. We look at your pediatrician for your kids. Are they on the panel for this hospital, for this cover or not? We look at the benefits. Do you want to stay in a private room when you're admitted? Do you want to stay in a public room if you're admitted? And how much will that cost per day? Okay, what are the sub-limits? It's important. We used to explain even the sub-limits of the cover, that if you take a cover of 1 million, pre-existing conditions will only be paid up to this amount if you're taking. So we did a really good job at that. But we realized also that there are some covers, some providers or insurance companies that some hospitals are not there, and they can be found in another insurance company's medical cover. So maybe someone is in Muranga and they need KU or something, a different hospital, and this provider A doesn't have that hospital in their panel. We go out and look for the client, different insurance companies that offer the same medical cover, maybe different terms, maybe different sublimits, but try and explain, okay, company A gives you this, company B gives you this, company C gives you this. We are telling you, according to us, we feel that you should go with company B because of this, and this. I think that is what stood out to our clients, because we were acting on behalf, and we still act on behalf of their interest. We're not acting on behalf of an insurance company because we're not selling only their products. We're coming from the side of the client. Our client has told us that I need a car insurance, I need a medical cover. It's for us to go out there, look at what is there in the market. Okay, this company doesn't work for this client, this one doesn't work. Okay, we bring you 3 or 4 quotes and tell you, David, this is what we see from here, this is what we see from here, this is what we see. And we would recommend you go with this. Now you have the 3 choices, you can make any of the 3 choices, but we have cut short your work. We've made it easier for you. You do not need to go get quotes from all 7, 8, 10, 12, 15 insurance companies. We've gone out and done that for you, brought it to the table, told you this is what is in the market. This one, we don't feel like it's best. We don't feel like this will work for you, but we see that company A and B can work for you. What do you think about that? Now, that's what is Forthwell right now, and that's why we say getting better all the time, because we're acting on the interest of our clients, not the interest of one insurance company who we are trying to push their products. Also, when it comes to investments, we do not also sell for one company. Different investors, different needs, different level of risk, different opportunities. There are people who say, I don't want to touch my money, I don't want to have access to my money. And people will say that I want to access my money anytime that I need it. So we come up with products that are there in the market and tell you this one does this one does this has this rate, this has that rate, this one has a service fee of this much, this one has a service fee of this much. The performance for 1 year has been this, performance for company B has been this for 1 year, performance has been this, company A invests here, company B invests there, and company C invests there. So Devi, this is what we have for you, look at it, we can take you through all of this, and we can help you choose a product that will meet your needs, not the needs of the insurance company or the need of the agent. So that's what made Forthwell grow, and that has made us go into even corporate business. We've done a lot of SMEs, we've done a lot of corporate medicals for companies, because we were able to bring them all the quotations and help them make a choice from a point of what will work for you, not from a point of this is what we think is best, because we are selling for one company. So that one has been our strong point. And apart from that, we always make sure that we pick our phone. Anytime you call us, you'll find me, or you'll find Mariam, or you'll find John on the phone, and they'll pick the phone immediately and they'll tell you, okay, what do you want us done? Maybe you need a pre-authorization, you're in hospital, we'll make sure that it's handled quickly. Maybe you're delayed on a discharge, we'll make sure we sort that for you. And even if you're trying to get some medicine and the pharmacies don't have it, we'll go to the provider and ask them, our client, Mr. So-and-so, under this cover, is stranded here, and he needs this medicine. Guide us on how we can assist him. Once we have that information, we call you and tell you, hey, John, go to chemist so-and-so on Langata Road, they have that medicine, or they can deliver it to your home. We've done that, and it has enabled us maintain our clients, because even on a Saturday, on a Sunday, we are available, we pick our phone, and it has made us into one of the best agencies to go to. We realize the gaps in insurance, that most people think that insurance agents just sell and get lost after they sell, but we also, when we knew that we had to cover that. Next thing is that a client wants their agent to be available 24/7. That's us. We make sure that we pick our phone calls, we write emails, we send you statements, we send you reminders of the renewals. If you've had an accident and you're having a hard time filling the claim form, we'll come to where the assessment center of the car is, help you fill the form, take the car for assessment, take it to the garage, make sure the repairs are done. It's just the little things that make us get better and better all the time. And it also enables us even understand how different insurance companies operate. And at the end of the year, we can tell you that we've seen that company B, the quality of services are falling, they don't pick their phone on time, so we suggest that we go with company A or B on renewal. So it's also a good thing when you're working with someone who's not selling for only one company, but can give you advice. That's why we call ourselves consultants, more of consultants than our insurance agency, because we consult you on what is there. We tell you barely, without hiding anything, because we have nothing to hide, because we're not trying to push a product. We're trying to help you get the best out of the market. So whenever you need anything, reach out to Forthwell Insurance Agency, and we're looking forward to onboard you. And that's why Forthwell Insurance Agency is an independent insurance agency and not a tied one. And I hope now you understand why. Thank you. You can just reach out on the number below, or send us a message so that you can get started. My name is Moses Msioki. I'm a financial advisor with Forthwell Insurance Agency and also the founder. Thank you.